Chennai! Welcome back to Lazy Crew, Lazy Layover with me. Anyway, just arrived at 5 a.m. Hong Kong time, so it's like around 2:30 a.m. India time. And why it's very cold, and then I'm trying to find where's the air conditioner controls. I cannot find. Really, I'm so cold now, so weak. I have to find this. Okay, I found it, and then I want to turn it off. Yes, turn it off. Like, that's really hard for me to now it's 2:30 a.m. but I want to go for breakfast in the restaurant, but I need to sleep because I didn't sleep well these past few days, and then and I'm also hungry. Oh my god, why my life is very complicated. I want everything. I want everything. I want everything. This is the massage book. Sorry, not massage book. Oh, sorry, my English. The massage list. And should I go for massage? I think I should go for massage. Oh my hair! Massage. I think the massage price is same with my allowance. How much is it in Hong Kong dollar? Oh my god. Okay, I will not go massage. I will go massage in China. It's cheap. It's almost 3 a.m. and I want for a club. I'm not going to the club. I know this lipstick is like last forever. Just try the Fenty Beauty, the red one, the bomb something. Is it right? I don't know, but the Fenty Beauty. Like I try to erase it, but still there. And then I'm going to sleep now. No alarm, but I think I need to wake up early. And then see you tomorrow. Morning. It's 8 a.m. I slept for 4 hours something, and then I want to eat. I'm so hungry. Then I'll get ready to go to the breakfast buffet, and then take rest, and then going with my friend, my colleagues. OOTD. Wow, what OOTD is really regular. I'm going to the restaurant now. What they have it here. So what I have, paratha, fish curry, dosa. This one is the masala chai. It surprisingly is really nice, like a baked yogurt, but I think it's really nice, but it's too, what is it, too sweet for me. It's really nice, yeah. Oh, actually it's really nice breakfast. I'm full.
Kalau foto aku selalu pengen sebelah kanan gitu-gitu.
Aku kayak sama aja, sama-sama jelek.
Ya Allah, ya.
I'm walking around now in Chennai. I'm waiting my colleague to do the eyelashes. So just strolling around, and then try if I find something interesting to eat, I will go. It's very hot now. Look at my face now. Oh my god, so traffic. And it's burning. My face is burning now. I'm so exhausted today. I didn't do anything today, like only eating, flight with colleague, and I will go back to Hong Kong. Thank you for accompanying me, and then I will go to Manchester in a few days. So see you. Thank you so much for watching.